And this is room number 1201. When you walk in, you have the baño, el baño. You have the bathroom. Nice modern sink and fixtures. You have a separate area for the toilet. Windows, towels, shower. Really nice bathroom. And then it just opens to the room. And you have this sliding piece right here. This is where the closet is. This is the bed. There's a nice desk. You have a small TV, but a TV. A nice leather sofa. Complimentary wine, but the best part of this room is the gorgeous view. It is obstructed by the Privileged Beach Club, but I'm sure at night or when there's not too many people out there, it's just perfect. This is outside. Really nice ocean view. This room, oh, there's a mini hammock. This room is at the end of the resort. This room is at the end of the resort, so it's a very long walk to like the bar and the restaurants, but that's okay. So here's just an overview of the room. Really nice and spacious. I'm very, very happy with the room. Oh, one thing. I need to find the mini fridge. Ah, perfect. Oh, and the mini fridge comes stocked with beer and soda and water, which is perfect because it is super, super hot. So yeah, if you are looking for a hotel to stay at in the Cancun area, this hotel is in Playa del Carmen. I would highly recommend it. It's an Ocean 10 hotel, and you can get a room with an ocean view. You can get suites, but this is a pretty large room for it not to be a suite. And it's also all-inclusive, which is perfect because everything is already paid for. So yeah, I hope this video made it easy for you if you are planning on staying here. And here is a map of the hotel. The one thing I will say is that it is a far walk from stuff. So we're in building 12. Here's the pool and the beach, but this is where like the restaurants are. So it is a far walk, but it's a gorgeous room and it's worth it.